Hey, this is Attorney Reeves. I want to talk to you a little bit about the Unity campaign. If you've been around Memphis, you've probably seen the billboards, and we've done some marketing where we're talking about unity. I just want to tell you a little bit about why we chose to take this route with our marketing and why we're making a large push for unity. One thing about 2020, I feel that this year has been more polarizing than any year I ever remember of my life. There's lots of people who want to make you believe that you have to choose a side. It's this side or this side, and it's no in between. Here at the Reeves Law Firm, we don't believe that. At the Reeves Law Firm, we believe that the key is not being divided, but to have unity. We believe that there is always a common ground. I believe that I can be a patriot and love my country, but then at the same time be willing to point out some things that are wrong with our country, things that need to be changed in our country, bad things that have happened in our country. That doesn't make me any less of a patriot than someone who chooses to look at this country through rose-colored glasses. I believe that you can have issues with police brutality, that you can have issues with disproportionate incarceration and problems and racism and discrimination in the criminal justice system, and love police officers and love law enforcement and appreciate and respect them for the sacrifices that they make day in and day out. And at the same time, not be scared to speak the truth. Here at the Reeves Law Firm, we have always believed in unity. We have a very diverse workforce. We have a very diverse executive board. We have people of different ages, races, sexes, and that has helped us to grow because we get to see different perspectives. We get to see different opinions, different values, different beliefs, and that has helped us become the law firm that we are today. That's helped us grow into one of the preeminent personal injury law firms in the South. And so with that being said, we're all one. That's especially important when you live in a country that is as diverse as the United States. We have people from all over the world. We have different races, and they're all Americans. And that unity is what has made us a superpower in years past. That is what's special about us, and we should embrace that and not fight that. The Reeves Law Firm asks that your resolution for 2021 is to find understanding, common ground, and to have unity. Let us be your voice.